Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to take out percentage instantly. If I ask to find 20%, 20% of 60, 30% of 90, instantly I can write 12 here, 27, the percentage. If I ask 60% of 510, I will write 306. If I ask 15% of 400, I will write here 60. Now let me show you how I find these values. Very simple formula. Let's look one by one. Firstly, 20% of 60 means to say 20%. Remove this percentage sign, write 100 over here, and multiply the number 60, cut 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0. Now multiply this number with this, it will be a 12. Now look, 15% of 400, same method, 15 over, remove this percentage sign, write 100 over here as a denominator, 400 here. Now cut off this 0 with this 0, this 0 with this 0, multiply 15 with 4, 15 fours are 60. Simplest way. Now the next question, 60% of 510, same 60, remove this percentage sign, 100. Now multiply by 510. Now this 0 cut off and this will be cut off, this will be cut off. That would be 6 ones are 6 and 6 fives are 30. This is the easiest way to find out the percentage. I hope you people got the idea. Do like, if you like this video, do like this video and subscribe Math Union. Thank you for watching this video.